How do I know if my Ring camera is offline or disconnected?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to determine if your Ring camera is offline or disconnected. It's essential to stay connected to your Ring camera to ensure the security of your home and loved ones. So, let's dive in and learn how to identify if your Ring camera is offline or disconnected.
Checking the camera status.
The first step is to check the status of your Ring camera. Here's what you need to do. 1. Launch the Ring app. Open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in with your Ring account credentials. 2. Select your camera. Tap on the camera device you want to check. This will open the live feed or camera settings. 3. Observe the live feed. If your camera is online and connected, you should see the live feed from the camera. It indicates that everything is working correctly. 4. Look for connection status. On the live feed screen, locate the connection status indicator. It might be represented by an icon or text, depending on the version of the Ring app you're using.
Interpreting the connection status.
Now that you've located the connection status indicator, let's understand what it means. The following are the possible connection status indicators you may encounter. Indicator 1. Online, connected. If you see an indicator stating online or connected, congratulations. Your Ring camera is connected to the internet and working as expected. You can now access the live feed, receive notifications, and utilize all the features provided by the Ring app. Indicator 2. Offline, disconnected. If the indicator shows offline or disconnected, it means your Ring camera has lost its connection to the internet. There could be several reasons for this, such as a power outage, network issues, or a problem with the camera itself. Don't worry, we'll troubleshoot the issue in the next section. Indicator 3. Poor signal strength. In some cases, you may notice an indicator suggesting a poor signal strength. This could be displayed as poor Wi-Fi signal or similar. It indicates that your Ring camera is struggling to maintain a stable connection due to a weak Wi-Fi signal. Consider moving your camera closer to your Wi-Fi router or using a Wi-Fi range extender to improve the signal strength.
Troubleshooting steps.
If your Ring camera shows an offline or disconnected status, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. 1. Check power supply. Ensure that your Ring camera is receiving power. Verify that the power cable is securely connected, and if it's a battery-powered camera, check the battery level. 2. Restart your camera. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Power off your camera. Wait for a few seconds, and then power it back on. 3. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi network is functioning correctly. Restart your router, check other devices' connectivity, and ensure your camera is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. 4. Verify internet connectivity. Confirm that your internet connection is working correctly. Check if other devices can access the internet without any issues. 5. Contact Ring support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, it's advisable to reach out to Ring support. They have dedicated professionals who can assist you in resolving the problem and getting your camera back online. That's it for today's video. We've covered how to determine if your Ring camera is offline or disconnected. Remember, regularly checking the camera status is essential to maintain a secure environment. If you